Over 3 billion people in the developing world cook on open fires or inefficient stoves in poorly ventilated homes. The toxic smoke that is produced causes severe lung and respiratory illness and highly contributes to climate change. Each year, nearly 2 million people die due to diseases caused by inhaling the toxic carbon monoxide. The problem is particularly rife in Nigeria and in Kenya, where rural dwellers consist of the largest household wood-burning population in Africa. Most of them use the wood fuel to boil daily necessities like water and food, and thus the carbon emitted mixes with water and eventually affects the ecosystem. However, the high cost associated with developing affordable cleaner stoves that cut these emissions and getting these to market in a country with the highest slum population like Kenya has meant that for centuries people have had no widespread solution to this problem. This is a life straw. It is a carbon for water solution which holds the potential of high sustainability and point of use solution. Now this program you see here targets the Millennium Development Goals, which includes environmental sustainability. The program is spearheaded by Vestergaard Fransen. The European company specializes in disease control textiles, including the LifeStraw family water filters that are distributed to homes in Western Kenya. This unique model gives companies in developed countries potential revenue in the form of carbon credits for sponsoring programs that reduce greenhouse gas emissions in developing countries.
We expect actually across those 900,000 homes to reduce CO2 emission by 2 to 2.5 million tons per year. Here's the beauty about this, because this is where it's sustainable. That actually has a monetary value on the international carbon market, and it's that monetary value that we're using to pay for the water filters.
Carbon credits can then be sold to carbon credit buyers that want to reduce their carbon footprint or improve their environmental stewardship. Each LifeStraw water filter delivers at least 18,000 liters of quality drinking water, enough to supply a family of 5, with cleaning drinking water for at least 3 years. Kenyans who receive them will no longer have to treat water by boiling it using firewood, which generates greenhouse gases.
Maji yenye tulikuwa tunakunywa, kama hauna water guard mpaka utaboil. Uboil, uende uweke, alafu ndio utumie. Unaweza kwenda kuweka, alafu unapata yale maji tena yamechafuka tena kwa moshi inaleta chivu inaanguka ndani tena.
This behavioral change is expected to produce more than 2 million tons of carbon emission reductions annually. Nearly 1.2 billion people in the world lack access to safe drinking water, more than 60% of whom live in sub-Saharan Africa and Southern Asia.
We want to make sure that the standing crop of LifeStraw that is out there, 900,000 LifeStraws throughout Western Province, that they work all the time so people can get healthy, the environment can get better, and it's a sustainable business for us to keep doing it. Most importantly, it really improves the economy here too.
Maji ile chafu ambayo itatoka ndani, usiimwage kwa sababu sio chafu sana. Unaweza kuweka hapo alafu unatumia kufulia nguo ama kumwaga nini ndani ya nyumba kama imechopoka kama hii yangu hii.
Treating water in the home offers the opportunity for significant health gains at potentially dramatic cost-saving improvements in water supplies, such as piped water connections to households. Water filters have been shown to be the most effective interventions amongst all point-of-use water treatment methods for reducing carbon emission. It is not enough to treat water at the point of source. It must also be made safe at the point of consumption. Njoka for KTN Eco Journal.